Today I'm going to be walking you through how to manage and hide your transaction history on Revolut. Now, the first thing we need to clear up is that Revolut does not allow you to permanently delete individual transactions from their servers. Because they are a regulated financial institution, they have to keep these records for security and compliance reasons. However, if you are looking to clean up your feed or keep certain payments out of sight, there are a few ways to do that within the app. First, open your Revolut app and go to your home screen or the Transactions tab. If you have a specific transaction you want to remove from your immediate view, just swipe left on that transaction. You'll see an option that says Hide. Tap that and confirm your choice. Now, the important thing to remember here is that while this makes the transaction disappear from your main feed, it doesn't erase it from existence. It will still be accessible if you look at your full history or your analytics, so it's more about organization than total deletion. If you have a lot of items you want to clear out at once, you can hide multiple transactions. Look for the three dots next to your transaction list and click on that. From there, select Hide, and you can choose how many you want to move out of your view. You can even adjust your home screen settings to show only a very small number of recent transactions, like just your last one, to keep things looking empty. Now, if you're managing a Revolut under 18 account, the process is slightly different, but just as direct. You'll need to tap on the specific transaction first and then select the Hide option from the internal menu. I also want to mention the both ways rule of privacy here. If you choose to hide everything to keep your history private, it makes it much harder for you to track your own spending habits in the main view. If you are trying to avoid having a history trace in the future, a great tip is to use single-use virtual cards for your online purchases. These cards vanish after one use, which helps keep your future history much cleaner. If you are looking for permanent removal because you're closing your account, you should know that Revolut still retains that data for a specific legal period. You can contact their data protection officer at dpo@revolut.com to request data erasure under privacy laws. But for standard transaction history, a full deletion is usually not possible due to those banking regulations. This keeps your records safe and compliant, but for your daily use, hiding is your best tool. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.